Hi everyone, Marine here for Sunny Studio. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm back with more Christmas in July inspiration. Today I'm featuring the gorgeous Ocean View stem set. And I will turn a snowman from feeling frosty into a Sandman. I picked the small Christmas hat from Christmas Critters. And I will turn a crow from Farm Fresh into a seagull. We also have the sun from Balloon Rides, the small rocks and grass from Savannah Safari, the words Have a and Christmas from Lazy Christmas, and the word Clossum from Best Fishes, and I will use a paper from the Spring Sunburst paper pack. So I started off with the coloring. I stamped the ocean view image on a large piece of cardstock. I will cut it once the coloring is done. And on the left, we have a few additional images already cut. And as always, I'm using my alcohol markers to color everything. Now I'm going to color the bottom part of the scene using brown shades. This section is supposed to be sand, and sand is not all even or flat, so I'm not doing a very precise job on covering that bottom section. And next I will add dot details to make this sand section more interesting. So now I'm just adding some white splatters to emphasize the sand texture. And next I'm going to color the additional images, starting with the snowman that will become a Sandman. Next, I wanted the crabs to look at the Sandman, So we are good with the one on the left. He's already looking at the Sandman, but the one on the right is not. So I stamped a third crab and I'm going to cut his eyes off. Sorry, Mr. Crab. And I will stick those eyes on the second crab. And here we go, all eyes looking at the Sandman. Before sticking my cute images, I'm going to trim the ocean view panel into a 5.5 by 4.25 inches panel. And next I'm going to use the ocean view coordinating die to get rid of the top panel. Now I'm just going to cut a piece of pattern paper to make the sky, and this is how it will look. Now let's attach the panels on a card base. I'm using double-sided sticky tape to attach the sky and foam tape to stick the ocean view panel. And before attaching my images, I'm just stamping my sentiment at the bottom of the card. It says, "Have a clothesome Christmas." It goes perfectly with the cute crabs. And next I'm going to use foam squares to attach everything on the card. As always, I finished my card by adding white highlights and details to the images. I added a bunch of dots on the ocean lines to give a reflection effect on the waves, and that's it. I hope that this card will inspire you to stretch out your supplies. Love those cute crabs wearing Christmas hats. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next week with a new Sunny Studio Christmas in July card. Bye!